In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the correct Outlook SMTP settings to send emails smoothly and without any hiccups. Before we get started, make sure you have a reliable internet connection, as this will ensure a seamless experience throughout. First things first, head over to the Microsoft Outlook page. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL, or simply Googling Microsoft Outlook to find the official site. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button. It's generally located on the home page, making it easy to spot. Click on it to proceed to the Sign In page. Now, take a moment to enter your login details. Be sure to type in your email address and password correctly to ensure you sign in successfully on the first try. After filling in these details, simply click on the Next button to move forward. Once you've logged in, you will be taken to your Outlook dashboard. This is where you can view all your emails and access various features of Outlook. Next, shift your focus to the top right corner of the dashboard. You're looking for the Settings icon, which often looks like a small gear. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu where you can access various settings for your account. Within the Settings menu, locate the Mail section. It's usually part of a submenu labeled as Mail that you can select. From there, look for options related to forwarding and IMAP. You should see multiple options under this category, and this is where you can configure a few key settings. Once you're in the forwarding and IMAP section, spot the toggles or checkboxes for PULP and IMAP settings. If they're not already turned on, you'll want to enable both. This ensures that your email account is set up to receive and send messages using various email clients or devices that might rely on these protocols. It's a crucial step for maintaining accessibility and flexibility, so make sure these are activated. Taking the time to properly enable PULP and IMAP settings means Outlook will work seamlessly across multiple devices, offering you the utmost convenience to access your emails wherever you go. So there you have it. Setting the correct Outlook SMTP settings is a straightforward process when you know where to look, and by following these steps, you'll ensure your email is set up correctly for both sending and receiving messages. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our videos for handy tips just like this. Until next time, happy emailing!